Welcome to Blizzard Beach, y'all.
Yeah.
This is my first time for a Disney water park. He hasn't been here in a while.
I haven't done this since I was 17. I'm missing like more than half the slides.
Yeah, so this is the.
It's going to be weird because we grow up in areas where ski lodges exist. So now we're going to be at a ski lodge.
Yeah,
where it's 70 degrees.
Yeah, exactly. So this will be an interesting thing.
This is about to mess with your head, Kaylee.
It really will, I'm sure.
I hope you like this.
Yeah.
We're going to go ahead and get ready to get in the park.
Yep. This is the Blizzard Beach Legend. So this is outside one of the food lodges here. They have snowboards and skis here.
We have a whole gingerbread cake.
All sit out. Really? You could put gingerbread here?
$11.
That's insane.
Here we go. Ooh, that roasted chicken bowl.
Here's the food.
That's awesome. Look at that. That part of the race was awesome.
Here's my race. And they have a tube drop off.
Look at that shower blade.
That's insane. By the time the water goes off, you're already coming down the plummet.
Everyone's like ski it, like snow, they're putting snow.
Yeah. And now we're entering the frozen land. So that was the end of our time at Blizzard Beach. It was really awesome. I loved it so much. That was such a nice water park here that Disney has put together. They do it the right way, and they need to teach other parks to learn about shading and trees and
it not
vegetation.
Only helps out with like I can put less sunscreen on and deal with the sun, but even then it just enhances the atmosphere and the ambiance of the whole park. just to smell that. I mean, I'm loving this right now where we're at, and the water
Yeah.
park feels the exact same way. It's just stuff like that I prefer when I go to a water park. I don't like things completely exposed. I get people like this, be out in the sun and tan, but that's just not my thing. And so I really like that I mean, all the water parks out here, Aquatica, Volcano Bay, and then the 2 Disney parks here are just so well shaded.
Yeah. But right now we're gonna do Winter Summerland, which is the mini golf course that is right next door. So we're gonna go do that.
Well, I think it's because everybody from Blizzard came over here.
All right, so we're not gonna do mini golfing anymore. That was way too long of a wait because everyone we think from Blizzard Beach has come here after the water park is closed.
Yeah, at least part of it.
Yeah. So
45-minute wait, at least not right now. Like if we weren't doing other things, we would. That's not too bad.
And if we weren't on a time crunch either.
Yeah, because we want to go do Disney Springs. We want to go hang around there for a little bit, and then we gotta head back to our destination to get ready to come back tomorrow.
Yep. SeaWorld.
So for now, we're gonna go enjoy ourselves at Disney Springs again. I saw like part of it last time, and
We didn't really go through the whole thing last time.
I gotta finish the rest of it because I'm still missing out compared to her and Brian. So I really gotta go.
Yeah, so we gotta get him through the rest of Disney Springs now
No.
instead. But yeah, we'll see you at
Just
Disney
so-
Springs. Y'all, we just waited in a line just to go down some stairs.
There's just so many people that
There
the stairs
is
were a
so
choke point.
many. It's insane.
Oh,
Like we're about to experience this crowd.
oh, I'm ready.
I'm ready for this. This is insane.
Really dope, actually.
They have a really cool lightsaber Christmas tree in the world of Disney. That is so cool.
You know what, real quick, I want to see the honor.
You know you're in Pixar area when you see the lamp and Lutzo.
Oh, that's cool.
I've never had Gideon, so this is our first time. This is actually both of our first times
I'm
because
not
neither
ready.
of us have had it.
Well, just last time they were done for the day. I think it was like maybe
a
like 90 minutes
3-hour
before
wait.
closing. No, it was 2.5.
Yeah.
But it was funny because the line wasn't even this long. But I
Yeah,
guess
they
it's
had
because of the virtual queue.
too. But today they don't. It's just a 25 to 30-minute wait.
We've really only waited 12 minutes and we're almost at the door. Like,
Yeah.
unless there's a longer line inside, this is not bad at all.
Highly doubt it. But yeah, I'm super excited to try these cookies and actually see what they look like. Because I've seen photos and I've heard stories, but I want to actually try this. Yo, this place looks insane. Why does this look like it came out of a Tim Burton head? This all looks like it came out of Tim Burton's head here. Yo, look how big these cookies are. That's insane, and that's a regular chocolate chip. Alright, y'all, I got the cookie in my hand. I got a triple chocolate chip. There's the place. Charles probably got way too many cookies over here.
I got 3.
Yeah, I figured.
I got the 3 I told you.
Yeah. But oh my goodness, yo. We are excited to try these cookies. This isn't, guys, this is the size of the cookie.
That's really good.
This is a half a pound of cookie.
The hype is real.
This, yo, I am not exaggerating. It is almost the size of my hand. That is how insane this cookie is.
What?
Look at this. You're not looking. You guys are stalking. What is this I'm showing you? I don't want you to see it. Stop.
There he is, the infamous Brickley. Outside of a lot of major Legos.
Trying to take pictures.
And here's Star Wars. Maleficent fighting the prince from Sleeping Beauty.
Yes, please.
Al frente de la lengua.
Well, that ends out our night for Disney.
Unfortunately, my foot's killing me, so we're heading out a little early.
Yeah,
But
but
it's still really, it's really nice.
it's nice.
At least you're gonna try Gideon's. I want to try the French fry place, the poutine place next time, because that
Yeah.
was really, really good.
It smelled good too. Oh my goodness. But yeah, that's gonna conclude it today. It's been a really awesome day for the Disney things we did. Tomorrow is SeaWorld, so I'm gonna see you there. So we get to watch the volcano show and fireworks. Why that look like Epcot? Why that one firework look like Epcot? I know, but the one firework looked like that the Epcot ball.